I don't really know what we built, but I feel good. I've got a system built, a number of agents working on it, and I'm sitting like the man in the middle between Perplexity, which is telling me what to do, and DeepSeek, which I'm using because it's so cheap. I'm going to take all of this and copy it. Now I'm in Perplexity. I'm going to paste what I just copied. It takes but a second to read very complex code, taking into account what it got and what it thinks I should do. So, Bill, before I run a PyTest, fix duplicate detection. And then let's patch what's going on in that registry. He's turning me into an advanced software manager. And now I'm going to go just copy his directives and give it to my agent. So I'm back with, this is just a browser. I'm going to just paste that information in and go. And now this is going out to DeepSeek. That is the cheapest model out there. So instead of spending $15 on Perplexity before I know it, just for fun, why don't we see what it costs us to use DeepSeek? So from everything I did last night and today, let me refresh this page. 27 cents. The difference in costs is dramatic. I can use high-level engineering talent at a very expensive price going through Perplexity, and it's using OpenAI's latest model. And then I can come down to DeepSeek to implement. The model with DeepSeek has now appended what they worked on. So I'm going to copy this down. I'm going to send it up to Perplexity and repeat the cycle. And in the process, I'm visibly able to be involved in the engineering. I'm able to learn about the specificity and the articulation of core values, the constant testing. So I'm going to run a test suite, and this I do in my terminal. I'm going to copy that guy. I'm going to paste the command that I was given to run these tests. And whoop, we got some problems. Here is where that test began. So I'm copying down the results of that test, copying that up, and all that I do is I send this guy back up to Perplexity, paste that in, and it will read the results and give me ideas of where to go. There's only test issues, no architecture problems. Great. And so let's send Bill no production changes in the registry. We're still checking file names. And it's one test after another that impresses me to no end. So we see that we've passed all of our tests, and yet the job is not done. We need to log it, update the owner's inbox, that's the one I see, and note that we have a deliverable, and no further implementation till we approve the next phase 2 step. What we're building is a way to have memory and a journal of everything that's being done, and that the code writer and the system developer and the orchestrator have developed this robust system underneath on which I can build apps. When I started this, I copied in a transcript from a YouTube to get the general layout of the kind of knowledge base I wanted to build. I asked AI to review everything that had been put in place and then tell me what might be the first steps for me to take. And we went into a very engineering focus, very clearly make this a robust system at the foundation level so people don't go wandering off and get confused. It works for me.